How to install a computer RAM? Well, greetings, I'm Juan Pablo Villada Tecnic, and I'm going to explain what a RAM memory is and how it is installed. Well, the first thing is to know what gives us the speed of the computer and allows us to process the information in a volatile way or instantly, and it is random access, which means that you can't choose what information to process and send it to the processor. During computer startup, the equipment must 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 have a RAM because if it does does not have it will emit a few beeps which indicate that it has a fault or that there is no RAM memory. RAM memory is a rectangular memory module with a row of pins separated beyond opening. The pins are gold. These must be inserted into the cavity of the computer's CPU on the motherboard where the RAM's memories called slots are inserted. The boards have 2 or 4 or 6 or more slots and are next to processor. 1 point. At installation, the rows of pins must be aligned with the space in the slots where they will be inserted to match correctly. Point 2. It is snapped in so that the RAM will enter the slot. Then 3 point. Then we proceed to secure them with 2 tabs that we have on the sides of the slot and that enter through openings or the size of the memory so that the memory is secured. Point 4. These tapes will emit a click sound, and we will know that the memory is installed correctly, and we will be able to close the cabinet of your equipment, connected it and turn it on. Turn it on. Point 5. Lastly, check that the RAM memory has been installed correctly. Point 6. We enter our desk. From there we go to equipment and we click it. Left click select the properties option, and then we will see how much RAM memory our equipment has.